Just for those who maybe don't know, could you just give us a brief background to Moniga?
Yeah, Moniga, we're a market-leading fintech in Europe. Our focus is to help banks to increase customer engagement and create new business models. The kind of core products that we have are personal finance management. The focus is to help users to have better financial well-being, so kind of financial fitness tools for banks to integrate white label into their digital channels. And then we have other products that are focused on these new business models, which is especially now a focus for banks in Europe with open banking PSD2. They have to be finding ways to broaden their offering. And that's our rewards platform, which is bringing together banks, merchants, and the bank's customers into an ecosystem where banks' customers are provided with discounts from merchants into the bank's digital channels, a driver of engagement. The merchants are benefiting from this ability now to provide more tailored discounts to individuals based on their spending behavior, and from analytics around the spending behavior of users as well.
Fantastic. And of course, you are market leaders in Europe.
Yes.
Now, how does the US market differ? What sort of challenges can you help solve here?
Sure, I think as with the banks in Europe, they've been under a lot of pressure the last few years because of the change in regulation. So not only PSD2 open banking, then also GDPR for data protection. And we really feel, based on our experience of being involved in that melting pot of change, we've also had to change as well. There's a lot of pressures coming in from other fintechs, eating into the value chain of our offering. So we've also had to adapt and innovate faster. So we really believe now is a good time to show America what we can bring from our experience from Europe, not just America, other countries that are also outside of what's happening around open banking. So we really feel we have, I would say, a broader view of the challenges, the things to think about, and the capabilities that we can bring.
Fantastic. And what sort of conversations have you had with institutions so far from the event?
We've had good dialogues. Moniga isn't a brand as well known here. So obviously part of the reason to be here is to build up brand awareness, to tell the banks how we're working with leading banks across the globe. So it's good to be able to reference clients, the big global clients like Santander or UOB in Southeast Asia, partnerships with the likes of UniCredit and Swedbank in the Nordics. So the dialogues have been promising, so hopefully it will be a good event for us.